Welcome back, folks. This is the final episode of MotionReel Academy's beginner overview of Gravity Sketch 6.0. My name is Bruni, and this is part 9, Saving and Exporting Files. Well, congratulations, you made it. This is the final episode. Before we move on, now that you've completed the course and you're familiar with Gravity Sketch, you might be interested in getting Gravity Sketch certified. Official Gravity Sketch certification courses available. Since you've gone all the way through this course, we have a special quiz for you to take. If you pass, and it's not that hard, you save 10% on the Gravity Sketch certification course offered by MotionReel Academy. You will join me one-on-one or in group sessions. This is only available for a limited time, so take advantage of it now. All right, back to the course. Now we're going to show you how to export and save files. First, to bring up the Save and Export menu on your non-drawing hand, hit the blue button. Then we're going to go to this icon that looks like a disk. That brings up this menu. Now, I first want to direct your attention here. Here you have two choices. You can either save the file that you're working on to the device. In this case, I'm working on a PC and I'm tethered, or to the landing pad, which is on the internet, from this menu. And you do so by flipping this back and forth. When you are saving to the landing pad on the internet, you can set up folders on landing pad to save files in. Then you can then access those files from Gravity Sketch, or you can download them to open up in other software. To save a file, simply hit this icon. This icon is the Save As file. When you click this, you'll have the opportunity to rename the file like so, and it'll come up with the keyboard. When you're done renaming, like so, and you hit when you click this icon, you'll see a blue box appear. This shows you the size of your model in whatever increments you have selected. Right now I have inches, so this is telling me how big this model is. It also gives you the opportunity to recenter the model by clicking this icon, and that will take everything that you have and put it directly in the center of the world axis. You can also change from millimeters to centimeters, meters, and inches. You can change the up axis and the mirror plane. Right now I have Y set to up. I can also have Z set to up. You have three choices for exporting files. You have three choices: OBJ, FBX, and IGES. Now, I've written an article about what the difference is between these three, and I've put a link to that article in the description down below. From this panel, you can also bring out the camera. What the camera will do is bring out this panel, which allows you to take photographs of your model from any direction. You can set a transparent background for this, which is really cool. When you save this file, there will be no background behind, and you can put any background you want in, say, Photoshop. You can also change the render mode to show the world axis or not, and you can turn vertical lock on so that your camera will always be vertically locked. When you click this icon, you set up a new viewpoint, which also acts as a camera when you bring this into Blender. So this box right here will end up being a camera when you open up this file in Blender. And that's pretty much everything there is to know about saving and exporting. All right, that's pretty much everything there is to know about saving and exporting files. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I'll be making many more videos, and I hope you'll join.